Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I'm very confident in telling you this is the ultimate 65 Mustang Fastback. It is a genuine K code. That's the high performance engine, same as a Shelby. Has incredible colors. It's a real GT, blue and white pony interior. It has just a handful of miles since a rotisserie restoration was just completed by Mustang Restorations. And this car is documented with the build sheet. It was born like you see it. Its numbers matching. If you went back to 1965, I don't think you could order a better 65 Mustang than this one right here. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, including there'll be a picture of the build sheet there, and get the price. Not only on this car, but we have a few hundred collector cars that are all for sale. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin in the world's most ultimate 65 Mustang. I'm a sucker for this blue. I mean, that is just drop dead gorgeous. You got the blue and white interior, red lines. It is just killer. The outside of the car, the owner calls it perfect. I just reread the email he sent me. He says it's perfect. I don't see a flaw yet. Everything is lined up square and flush. The metal flake is laid out. The clear coat is polished like glass. Perfectly smooth. These doors fit like it's all one panel. Perfect gaps right here. Now Chris at Mustang Restorations been doing this a long time. He knows these Mustangs. He could build a car in his sleep. He's the guy who restored this one. All new chrome and trim, the correct GT exhaust tips, gas cap, and everything lines up and fits nice. This is beautiful stuff right here. All new glass in the car, all new gaskets and seals. Every piece of chrome and trim is new. They did upgrade the tires to radial. They're BF Goodrich radial dual stripe red lines, new GT wheels. Again, the gaps, everything is outstanding. I think at this point I have to agree with the owner when he called the paint perfect. I don't see a flaw. You know, the mirrors, the vent window pillars, all of that, the wipers, all completely redone. Underneath the car is concourse restored. This was on a rotisserie. They did the bottom of the car with the same attention to detail as the top. It has the original 350 posi rear end. It's a 4-speed. The 4-speed was rebuilt. I can't remember the name, but it was a top loader expert that rebuilt the 4-speed. All the clutch components is all stock for a K code. It's all new. The shift linkage was all rebuilt. The motor was completely rebuilt. And everything was done by experts with a lot of care to keep it authentic. They had a cam made by Holman Moody. It's the original K code grind on the cam. Look at that interior. Blue and white pony interior. Look at the jambs, cadmium plated bolts, all the hardware, the rubber, everything's done. Got the deluxe door panels with the knife handle door openers there. All new cushions in the seats. Got the fold down back seat. Inside the trunk is restored and detailed like new. Has a matching 5th tire and wheel. It's all painted. It's got the mat. I mean, it just looks pristine in there. It has the jack. This has the rally pack on the steering column. The wood grain deluxe wheel looks new. The dash, everything, the knobs, the metal that's painted, everything in the car looks pristine. It does have some upgraded embroidered floor mats. It does have the original radio. Yeah, cushions are nice in the seats. They're nice and firm. Headliner is white. Of course, that's redone. The owner says it's all numbers matching. Wow. Wow. Nice. Cadmium plated bolts, an actual Autolite battery, not just a topper. It has all the right markings and stickers, the right intake and carburetor, and hose clamps and hoses. And actually it is, read the specs on the website, but I think he has the original carburetor with the car, but he has this one on there. The motor's not even broken in yet. I'll look at the odometer, but the car's hardly been used. Now, they didn't have the Marty report till 67, so anything prior to 67, there is no actual documentation to prove what they are. To find a build sheet in one of these is rare. I think there's 2 build sheets, but I know there's at least one original build sheet that tells you what this car is. That by itself is rare, and then add all the colors and options. I mean, again, this is the ultimate. You're not settling for anything. There's no excuses with this car. I don't have to apologize for a thing with this one right here. Has the paint okay stamps in the door jambs. I mean, everywhere you look, it's like pristine. The day-night mirror looks brand new. The lights down in the doors work. Of course, it's disc brakes in front, has the quick ratio steering. Absolutely pristine in here. Hood fits perfectly square and flush. Seven miles since it's been restored. It's a Mustang collector. We actually sold an Eleanor for him and a couple other Mustangs over the last 10 years or so. Him and Chris at Mustang Restorations worked hard to make this car incredible. Again, this is a chance of a lifetime to own the most ultimate. If you want the best of the best, this is it right here. Visit volocars.com. That's where you can find plenty of ways to contact our salesmen. They will help answer any of your questions or concerns about the car, the process, shipping, delivery, financing, I should say. And if you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.